Hi guys, so I am back with another video and I'm really excited about this. I have a package. Yay, I have another package. I'm so excited. This is another dream dress that I've been wanting since it came out, but you know, I just recently have been able to afford buying brand. But let's get to it. Maybe it's just a It's Magic Princess. Okay, I won't cry. Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I have to breathe. Here it is in the bag. The little shaking that you hear is the buttons. Oh, it's so sparkly and pretty. She gave me the set, which came with the head bow and the fabric swatch. Oh, look at that. It has lace on it. Oh, so precious. Oh, it's so beautiful. Someone told me it was really sparkly and I was just like, oh, okay, well, I'll see when I get it. And it's really sparkly. I don't think you can tell on camera, but like, oh, Jesus, hold me, somebody. Okay. But the, on the stars and the chandeliers and even the little, pendants, there's like glitter. It's so sparkly. Oh my god, I wish the camera would pick it up. Maybe when I do the close-up it'll pick it up. I don't know. Let's see. So pretty. Buttons. I got this is the Napoleon cut because I didn't like the round cut. Oh, it's so pretty. Fabric swatch. I think the fabric swatch is for when you want to cord it, maybe. So you don't have to take the whole dress with you. But I don't know. This is the first time that I've gotten a fabric swatch with the piece. This is the first time I've gotten like a head bow and fabric swatch combo. So excited. I should try it on, but I have on this red undershirt and that won't go with it. Do I have anything else? I'm gonna go try it. I didn't tie the bows. I tie them separately and then I step into the dress. But here it is with everything on. Very minimum petty because my Marine Kingdom is wearing all of my petties, so cute. I'm so in love right now because there's just sparkles so much. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this purchase. I'm glad I got this. Oh, wait. This goes perfect with it. My cure stick. I'm so happy. I hope you guys stay tuned for the video where I do a close-up. Hopefully I'll be able to pick up the glitter on the piece, because OMG, the glitter on this piece is amazing. It's just everywhere. It's not everywhere bad, it's everywhere good. And hopefully I can pick that up, because I've seen a few videos and they can't pick it up. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so if you're wondering why I have it focused on me, it's because you can see the glitter better if it's focused further away than you can if it's on there. But this is basically a sample piece, and this is how the glitter looks. There's some more back here, you can see it. Little glitters, so pretty. I'm so happy right now. So happy right now. Let's see. Can you see that? See, when it focuses you can't really tell, but well, you can tell a little right here. But yeah, I'm happy. Happy! Oh, I got hot. I'm gonna go show my parents later.